In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to buy stocks on MetaTrader 5. By the end of this tutorial, you'll know exactly how to bring a stock like Apple into your platform and place a basic buy order in a clear, simple way. First, make sure MetaTrader 5 is open and that you're logged into your trading account. You should see the main trading window, and usually on the left side, there's a panel called Market Watch. This is where all the tradable instruments like Forex pairs, indices, and stocks are listed. To begin, move your mouse over the Market Watch area and right-click anywhere inside that window. A small menu will appear. From that menu, select the option that says Add Symbol or Symbols, depending on your version. This is where you can search for and enable new instruments that are not yet visible in your Market Watch list. A new window will pop up with different categories of instruments. In the search bar of that window, start typing the name or ticker of the stock you want to trade. For example, AAPL for Apple. As you type, MetaTrader will filter the available symbols. When you see the Apple stock symbol appear in the results, click on it once to highlight it. Next, look for the option that says Show Symbol, or simply Show, and click it. This tells MetaTrader to add that stock to your MarketWatch panel so you can access it easily. Once it's set to show, click OK to close the window and return to your main platform screen. Now, in the MarketWatch list, scroll until you find the stock symbol you just added. When you see it there, click on the symbol to select it. This lets MetaTrader know which instrument you want to work with for your next action. With the stock selected, you're ready to open a trade ticket. Right-click on the symbol or simply use the menu options and choose Create Order or New Order. This will open the order window for that specific stock. In this window, you can set your volume, choose whether it's a market order or a pending order, and finally confirm your buy. Once you're happy with your settings, place the order and your stock position will appear in the terminal. That's how you buy stocks on MetaTrader 5, from adding the symbol to creating your first order.